Y'all give it up for Monique. You did that, sister. You did that.
Hey guys, so in today's video, as you can see, I'll be doing my first hot oil treatment by using only 4 oils, which were coconut oil, tea tree oil, olive oil, and vitamin E oil. So I went ahead and first started off with the coconut oil. I did about 1 to 2 scoops of the coconut oil, mainly because I wanted to get a good base of oil for my hair, and coconut oil does really well for me. Followed the coconut oil will be the vitamin E oil, and I will link everything that I have in this video down below in the description box, so if you want to try it out, go ahead. But I will tell you, the coconut oil I got was from Home Goods, I believe, because it was a big jar, and Marshall's, as the label says, right through the glass. I got it from Marshall's. I think it was like $3.99 or $4.99. So that's why I got that big bottle. The vitamin E oil came from a beauty supply store. Usually you'll see those tubes, and they'll have like jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, like vitamin E oil, all of that, in the beauty supply store. Now the tea tree and olive oil I got from a store called Roses. I'm not sure if a lot of people know about Roses, but there's a lot of Roses where I'm from, and it's a really good store. It's convenient, I can say it's very convenient. And so I got these 2 oils from there, and so now you just see me combining all 4 oils in the glass container. And once I am done combining all the oils together, I'm pretty much going to give it a good mix to get ready for the stove, well, the boiling water per se. And during this time that I was mixing all the oils, the water was already on the stove boiling. So by the time I got to the point where I put the glass into the water, the stove was off, but the water was still boiling. So it took about maybe 5 to 10 minutes for the oil to completely melt and mix in with one another. And I will say that the mixture smelled extremely good. It was just, I don't know, it just smelled really, really good. But here's me putting it in the water, giving it the last mix, and then I waited 5 to 10 minutes. I went ahead and took it out of the glass and put it in an applicator bottle. This is completely optional, but if you guys feel as though it's easier, then go ahead and do that, because this is my first time actually doing a hot oil treatment, and because I had the applicator bottle, I just thought it would be a lot easier for me for my first time. I feel as though this might be not enough for my hair, to be honest, but we'll see. It is really warm, but I don't want to burn my scalp or anything like that, so I'm gonna let it cool off for a little bit, and then we're gonna go into the process. Alright, so while the oil is still cooling down, I'll probably give like a few more minutes. I wanted to take this time to show you guys some new products that I ended up buying specifically for today, for wash day. I bought the Shea Moisture Strength and Color Care mask, so we'll see if this also works. And they changed like their label and everything, so it was hard to find in the store, but it's really pretty. And then I bought this from Amazon. I really can't wait to see how this works out, because I want to see like how my curls will stay, especially with that. And then the hair mask, a scalp massager. It has like 2 different settings on it, and yeah, I'll use it just like this, so like my thumb is like right on it, and I'll be able to get up in there. And it has, so we'll see how that go. And I think the oil, things that are good temperature. So I'm just go ahead and do it now. I'm gonna use my laptop camera to see maybe if I'm doing this correctly, but I think I'm gonna start out with the edges first and then go in down. Whew. So it's gonna open. There you measure anything. I just eyeballed it, and yeah. So now I'm gonna let this sit in for about I think 30-45 minutes while I do something else, probably vacuum, just to keep my mind off the time or whatever. And now I'm gonna wash it, and then I'll come back on camera to show you guys how my curls look, everything like that. So yeah. Alright, so now I'm back with freshly washed hair, and before I go ahead and explain what I'm doing, I want to say that the hair mask that I got by Shea Moisture from Target smelled amazing. The scalp massager worked perfectly, and I would 10 out of 10 recommend both products from Target and Amazon, as well as this hand diffuser that I'm now using on my hair to basically define my curls. But instead of letting it air dry, I'm going to go ahead and use my blow dryer, because if I was to let my hair air dry, it will look extremely terrible and it's going to look a hot mess. And yes, before anyone else notices, my bras are out and exposed. I apologize for that, but I was in the process of cleaning my room, and then I decided to do my hair, so don't judge me. So now you see me trying to get in my roots from the back and in the front, on the sides, on the crown, and trying to work the hand diffuser through my whole entire head to get as much as my roots dried as possible, only because I'd rather that be dry than the rest of my hair first. But this hand diffuser worked perfectly in order for me to scrunch my hair. So like I said, 10 out of 10 would recommend. But for me, when I do styles like this, it only lasts for about 2 to 3 days, which is typical for me because I like to switch my hair up every now and then. And honestly, I can't wait to use the hair mask because that's how great it smelled. So now I'm going in with some Eco Styler and working that through my hair as well to get more definition from my curls so it doesn't go too flat too soon. And believe it or not, this is my first time using Eco Styler myself on my hair. I never owned Eco Styler until now. Don't shoot me. I know I should have had some in my hair care collection, but I didn't. But now I do, so that's all that matters. So now I'm working it through, making sure everything's smooth and no clumps are in the back of my head or the top of my head. So now I'll go back with the hand diffuser and dry it as much as possible again, because my hair was still soaking wet at this point, believe it or not. You can probably see now because I'm pushing my hair up, you can see that it's a big difference from when it started. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in a little poof up top and take the hand diffuser off and and try the back, because like I said, it was soaking wet still. And that honestly could have been because I had it on a low setting and not the highest setting, and like I said, I don't like to really dry my hair that much because of heat damage, so I kept it on the lowest setting possible, which took more time than I expected. So now I took the opportunity to go ahead and use some of my Ego Styler and gel down my baby hairs, although I was going to sleep shortly after this. It was easier step to do right now versus in the morning, and I like the way it turned out. I did redo my baby hairs again the next morning, but you guys see that. So now I'll go ahead and fix my edges because it was giving me a hard time doing it with one hand only, but they turned out pretty well, pretty cute. I have OCD, so I like to make sure they're both equal and identical. So now I'll go ahead and shake my hair out and let it dry some more without the hand diffuser, so now I'm just like working my hands through it. And now, look at that. And I know when I am focused, I make this really ugly, disturbing face, but please ignore that. Going back in, fixing the top part of my head with some Ego Styler. And that was my final look after I dried my hair, put the Ego Styler on, and then did my edges. Alright, so now it is the next day, and as you can see, I slept on some of my curls, and some of them were extremely flat in the back, so now you see me doing like, you know, a little wake and shake for my hair. So now I'm going in with the Cantu pick that I bought from Target as well, and I don't think it matters, you know, what pick you use as long as like a hair pick. I just bought this one mainly because of the material that it was made out of, and I know in the past I have hair clips that's made from a certain material and it breaks easily, and I knew by looking at this hair pick that that wasn't going to be the case. So you see me just go ahead like picking some hair out with my hands and taking some almond oil that I have and rubbing it all over my hair, the back, you know, the top of my head, on the sides, just making sure everything is oiled down, getting a little bit of moisture. And now fixing my curls, and that's it.